Welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we are going to look at the development team in a Scrum framework. Development team, responsible and committed to meet the sprint goal. When it comes to committed and involved, committed team members are actually people who are working on the product increment, whereas involved team members may include project manager. So Scrum team is actually committed to meet the sprint goal as a team and not as an individual. Ideally, should be 7 plus or minus 2, excluding Scrum Master and Product Owner. There is a kind of benefit of having just the ideal amount of team members in a team. For instance, if the team size is so very low, there will be an issue of the skill set required to achieve the product increment. Whereas if the Scrum team is too big, then there might be issues of coordination. That's why it is ideal to have a Scrum team with less as 5 team members and as max as 7 team members. Next one, the team is self-organized. Team is choosing their own work to do. That means no one is allowed to direct them what is to be done. Scrum team members are empowered to take on the work and take them to their completion. Next one, cross-functional. Scrum team member involve all the team members who are having different skill sets. These skill sets can be design, coding, architecture design, database, anything that you say. But Scrum team is identified as one team. Remind you that Scrum recognizes no any title or domain specific teams. For example, a testing team or coding team. Scrum defines team as a development team. That means everyone is responsible for everyone's success. That's it from the development team. Thank you so much for watching.